In this video, we are going to practice packages as well as access specifiers. Here I am going to write a program which prove that private members cannot access outside the class. Okay, and default access specifier, whatever variables, whatever methods you declared without any keyword, that is default modifier. So that time those members cannot access in different packages subclass, different packages non subclass. They do access within the same class, same package subclass, same package non subclass. And protected members, these protected members can be accessible in any subclasses. Of course, within the package it is possible to access. Public means anywhere we can access. Let me prove by writing two to three programs. Yeah, let me create a package first, package, and then package name is something like mypack, and then public class box. Within this I am going to create a public constructor box of, and then I am going to assign some variables, length equal to 5, height equal to 6, and width equal to 7. And of course these are all the instance variables. Let me declare those, length, comma, height, comma, width. And of course these are all the private members. Yeah, void display of system dot out dot println of the volume is VOL equal to length into height into width. Let me save this file in PROC, under which we have to create a directory with the name mypack, in which I am going to save this file. Yeah, file name should be class name, no, box.java. Yes, and of course I am going to create another class like the same. Okay, so here I am going to create one more class called subclass of the box, lunchbox. And for this, in fact it's a subclass of box. Okay, lunchbox is a subclass of box. Of course these variables already there, and then lunchbox constructor, we are simply passing super keyword, super off. That's it. Yeah, and instead of this I may write a method called public static void main string args of. Within this main method I am going to create lunchbox space lb equal to, yeah, new lunchbox of, yeah. So here if you see, private members we cannot access, means that if I say lb.length, it will give you error, no doubt about it. Let me print something like system.out.println of, I want to display this. So it's a default member. So first let's look at private members. Let me try how to, by accessing the private member, length, height. At least we will try with length. The length of the box is lb dot len. So that time, no doubt it gives an error. Okay, let me say file in the same package with the name lunchbox, lunchbox.java. Command prompt, go there. Yeah, in fact, mypack.box, that we are supposed to write, and set the class path. Set class path equal to class path semicolon d academics courses Java PROC. Yeah, this is how we can troubleshoot it. When you write box, no, there is no class with the name box. Here we have a box, we have a class called mypack.box. Okay, that's the uniqueness we are giving to the box with the help of this package. Okay, let's see this. To run this program, come out of mypack and type lunchbox. Yeah, sorry, Java space, what is that name, mypack.lunchbox. Yeah, here if you raise this, if you know, if you compile this, it raises an error. This private member cannot access outside the box class. Yeah, as per the instructions, the private members cannot access outside of this class, right? We try to access that private member outside the class, then it raises an error. Okay, so this is about private member, and of course you can access the display, no. Okay, let's go one by one. The next one is, this private members proved that within the same class we can access. We can't access within the package subclass, we cannot access. If it is not possible, no doubt we cannot access in the other class. We cannot access other package other class. We cannot access other package subclass even. Let's look at default. Okay, default can be accessible within the package, correct? Let's look at this. Here, display is the method which is having a default access specifier. So this time, no doubt, we can access lb dot display of. Lb dot display of is going to invoke the method which is written in the box. Let me run this, Java space mypack dot lunchbox. Yeah, volume is 240, correct? Okay, so as per this, we can access those default members within the same class. And of course, I have proved that, within the same package subclass we can access the default member. Here in the box class we have a default member called display method. This display method I access in the lunchbox. Okay, lunchbox class lb.display of. Here a lunchbox is the subclass of mypack.box. Okay, now let me write one more class. Package Let me do copy paste. So yeah, let me use the class name like, so my box, and directly I am creating a main method. Okay, in this main method I am going to use lunch box object, or directly box object. Box object, box space lb equal to new box of. Okay, and this time I am accessing same lb dot display of. Let me save this file with the name mybox.java. Okay, and compile this. Go mypack java c space, what is the file name, mybox of. Come out of this java space mypack dot mybox. Yeah, volume is 240. So here I proved this default member. It could be a variable, it could be an instance variable, or it could be a member, right? A default access specifier, if you specify before a member of the class, that we can access within the same class, and of course within the package subclass we can access. In fact, lunchbox is the subclass of box. No, here I successfully access this display method, and of course within the package, but outside the outside class, still we are accessing it. No doubt, when you create one more package, like package new in pack demo, or a demo pack. Yeah, here if I write public class something like this, extends mypack dot box. Yeah, it's a child class of the box class. Public static void main string args. Here I am going to create the object of box class. Box space mypack dot box space b equal to new mypack dot box of. Yeah, and if I write b dot display of, display is the default member which we cannot access in the other packages. Let me save this file in something called demo pack. You have to create a folder in the home folder with the name demo pack, under which save the file with the class name. The class name is test, no, like test.java. Yeah, so now run this program. Go to demo pack java c space the test.java. It says display method is actually a default member that we cannot access outside. Okay, let me change little bit of this program. Here instead of instead of default, if I say protected, okay, protected void display of, this time no doubt it will work. Yeah, protected access inbox. Yeah. cd mypack java c space box dot java, java c space java c space test.java. So here yeah, here is the correction. Here I can able to access display method, right? Because the display method is actually public, and of course even you can write it protected, then compile this. Yeah. So the default members can access within the same class, within the package subclass, and of course within the package non subclass, and outside the package subclass we can access protected members, and that's proved, right? Of course we cannot access when there is no extend keyword, means that test is no more a child class of a box class. So this time we cannot access display. Let me show you that. Yeah, it says display can't find because it is not a child of this, right? When test is a child of box class, no doubt it will run. Yeah, like this. So, and of course everyone knows the public keyword when you use access anywhere. This is all about a program practice on how these particular keywords helping us in order to hide whatever you want, in order to expose whatever you want.